break, then we'll go on to the ladies, because I know all of you all are getting late, you'll have all got your appointments. So we'll human hair. We have is that it's not a machine-made product. You click a machine and the same thing comes out again and again. Whenever you can imagine thousands of ladies ladies' heads are used, the hair is used, mixed up, standardized to a quality, and then used colors. Okay, the very fact that her hair is this, yours is this, his is this, and this is mine. There will never be 100% replica of the color that her hair picks up. The same color combination is the same, the texture, the mixture is the same, the percentage is the same. It's all done in a very organized way. I mean, it's done at the factory level. But what her hair picks up with the blend of your own hair in it, because you're not only taking her hair and we are doing and giving you a skin tone. All hairs are obviously mixed up, you see. So there's always going to be that few percent, I would say 5% variance in the exact that you may get the previous time. There will always be that, but that itself shows you it's how natural it is.
Yeah, but no, I'm not talking about that. That I understood. But the pattern itself, it is like very light. I have one. I'll show you.
Show me, please show me.
I'll send a picture.
I'll show you 99J we have now. The
I saw that. That is the exact shape.
That's exactly.
That's the exact shape.
Yeah, okay.
Many times I
Well,
asked.
change it for me. Change it.
Okay. I have the entire package.
Exactly.
Okay.
We give this facility to all our clients. Any product you feel, I mean, if it doesn't sell, for example, you have a color 2, you bought it, you've kept it, and you felt, you know what, I need a color 1B which goes better, or a color 4. As long as it's a new piece, for us, he doesn't take, you take. You don't take, she takes. Yeah? So, by all means, bring it in, or replace it, no big deal, right? No big deal. Don't keep anything that is a dead stock for you, because it's no use to you, no use to you.
No, but why is it such? Because
There are those times where, quite frankly, sorry?
The entire package itself is
Very light.
comparing to
I can recall one time this 1 hour lot had happened where the color was goofed up. But that was quite time.
But this is pretty old. This extension itself
Then,
is
yeah,
pretty
then it must be
old.
that, because I think it's a year old. Where once I had this complaint, if I'm not mistaken, from Samantha. You know? So I guess it will be the same one.
Same.
One. Okay. Yeah. I think there was a goof up by at some stage. So by all means, give it back and take the Udra where she's got beautiful hair all over, but for whatever reason, ladies kill the hair from the front. Okay, they can't wear a wig, or it's not really. She can wear a wig if she wants to, but the fact is she may not want to because she's got enough good hair. But this problem is there. So you just need a small little patch or a small little hair piece that actually suffices that area. Okay. Now there are various the right technical name, and I request you all to use the right names so that it looks more professional for you all, because you all are high-end salons. So calling it skins and patches and all the regional names is not the right word. So you are selling a UK brand. So try to use that's called a closure. Okay, that's something that is a small piece that is only for here. Okay, we're going to show you later on, of course not as a demo, a toothpick and the other closures that we have, other than what we're going to put on our head. Yeah, I'll show you that. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Hair loss from the front. Okay, this is called a lady's toothpick. The concept being the same. Okay, where it's got a mono, it's got a lace base, and it's got a much more wider. And what they need to do is they want to blend this with their own hair. So other than the guy who's got 6 inch, these are a bit more expensive because obviously there's more hair with it, and that's what. So this is a kind of a closure, but actually it's called a toupee because of the structure inside. Can you show me the closure? Okay. Okay. Before we show that, now what you're doing is, especially for her, this is what we call as a closure. Okay, where there's a lace base here. Sometimes we have a mono base here also. Okay, but depending on what the requirement is, you have to decide. We'll show you the other pieces also, but this is what they believe would be good for her. Okay. It's the same human hair, same clips are there, and the base is lace. Okay, it's as light as it can ever be. Okay, this is what you feel is best for her?
Yeah. Okay. This is the perfect one. Just check also. See, she has a parting here.
Come, please stand up. Please stand. Please let him put it here. Just give him the.
So it gives you more natural look.
do with this?
I took half the hair from here and her hair over.
That we have to teach the client to do.
Hmm?
We have to teach the client to
Client
do
to
that.
do the
Slide
slightly
back.
backward.
Yeah.
You have to merge with your hair and that hair. Perfect. Same beads you can use. Second one. Here also.
That can be according to our judgment wherever we want to
They
place
want to
it.
place.
மொபைல் மொபைல் வச்சு
இல்லை நான் எடுக்கல நான் பார்க்குறேன்
இல்ல, இது display ல வருது.
It's like you take the parting normally.
I think only sides works
Yeah. Side will cover more of the gaps.
Yeah.
Or maybe I should take only that small part. and keep the rest.
Yeah, that also we can do. Even this also, see, sometimes if you want to change, this is your normal parting you take.
Here.
Take. How you take your normal parting?
So,
So you can use like this way also.
but that's
But that
confusing. No? It goes like this, then it goes like that.
First one is perfect.
First one goes
I
like
perfect. Yeah, I think first one is.
That can be little go little behind.
Actually, problem Mahendra is what you need the mirror in front of you. For you to
My
see.
problem is from
Yeah,
the
yeah,
morning is
yeah,
that only.
Yeah. So
I need a mirror
see,
first.
Yeah, you need to see it as you're doing it.
You want me to turn with some
Oh, you want to be here?
Go closer
I think
to
come
the-
here. I think let's.
Here. We'll put the clips. You could see the belt.
No. Now it's good. Because everybody has seen your parting with this.
No, it's perfect. I tried out
the 5 clips.
5, I thought 3.
Need a comb?
Have you tried a V patch? But no, I can't. No, because यहाँ पे बहुत कम बाल है तो वो V patch. This will be a perfect addition.
I have a lot of clients with the same problem.
Same problem.
Yeah.
What about that tendril color?
Yes, generally we have a
I think tendril will also show.
let's see what the
Fringe.
filter. And it's hard, right?
My father, daughter makes so much fun of me. He's saying one single hair is coming for 10 minutes. Yes. Oh, no, it's sticking up.
All beings will have.
You have to see.
Okay, you see my mother.
Yeah.
Almost.
Just sit.
More 2-3 times means
Yeah,
Yeah.
you will get it
Yeah.
perfect. Just 1 second, I'll show you.
First time wearing.
Yeah, that's right.
This I feel is
उनको देखना अच्छा उठाओ I thought you removed it. And the small part that looks more natural.
yeah, this much of it, no?
Yeah.
The rest are
How is this?
this is
Better?
yeah,
Split change.
Yeah.
nice.
And this texture also matches her.
Yeah.
Texture and it's not too heavy.
Closure.
It's nice,
See.
More natural. Can't make out. Four clips.
Go 5 clips.
Yeah.
You want
You want to try it? Take it out and
They actually placed inside.
yeah, no? Where the parting is.
Yeah. Okay. So earlier this
The
was your
beauty of the
concern,
product
no?
is
That
that
your
only-
parting is here and again it's here.
Yeah, this is good.
According to the parting, we can place it.
Place it.
But this is you don't. I'm not feeling like it is way down here.
No, because I don't feel it. It's very light. I don't feel.
Okay. You don't feel like
No, I don't think it's. I think something is there, but it's not
that
so
obvious.
bad.
Yeah.
For an hour or so, you'll feel that
Yeah,
something is there.
After
It's
some
lost.
time, I think it
Yeah. The important thing is the problem is solved.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
which is what the lady would love you for that.
Especially for some photo shoots, for some
Exactly.
functions and
Yeah,
all
exactly,
that we can
exactly.
wear.
They want it,
Not
yeah.
Because of
on
the
a
lights,
regular basis.
scalp will be slim.
I know. That's why I use the fiber.
Fiber.
Because when the lights are there, all the more it's shining.
When the clients come, so much of fiber. When your shampoo, you can see so much of fiber.
Yeah, they all use them. No, that
Everybody,
clients use.
most of like 70% females are using fiber. And this then Kerastase has product, this Roop after that. And then
More
Which
it
other
goes,
piece?
more it-
Get me the tendril.
Even you can go for the hair cut also with this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for us
Might
like in
look
front.
even more
Yeah,
natural.
yeah,
The bangs
yeah,
and all.
It looks more natural.
Make her wear a fringe, which I think Monisha wore it last time, right?
Yeah, I have to take this off or you can want me to take
Anybody wants to give it a
we
try?
would like to
Want
try.
see what's done? You all have understood?
Yeah.
The product,
We
how
have
to
a
apply.
product trend. This had not
It is not technical. The whole idea is, see, the product is there. You all have to now manipulate the product to fit the client. We will show you the various variants we have in the product, which in terms of sizes, the terms of base. Can you show me the other bases? Yeah, please show everything that is there. No? So that the whole point is that they understand the various.
So the up and the scalp.
But yes, take it. Please take it.
White, I have white. So that,
Okay, you've got.
but this will not.
Okay, this is a similar, it is a closure, but with very long fringe, like on the side. We call them tendrils. Okay. The beauty about this product is, while this is how the front is, okay, with hair, getting blended at the back. But there are somebody who also used this as a fringe, where it becomes a fringe with that. It's not the way, but like I said, you guys are so versatile. You'll come up with all kinds of. That is your forte. But otherwise, this is how the product should be put.
This is a different color. I'll just show them.
It can easily be colored to your color if it needs to be. So yes, the color is different, no doubt about it. But the whole idea is, for a moment, don't look at the color, look at the blend. But being human hair, it can easily be colored to the color that she has.
How is it different from the other one?
This is both the way you can use. Front, this is the longer one, and I'll show you the other side.
No, in what other way is it different from the
I'll
one?
show you. Where's the other piece? Yeah. This is a lace base, entire base piece, yeah? Okay. It's a bit more flexible.
Yeah.
As compared to this is a mono base. Okay? That's, yeah, it's like it's
This
got-
piece you have to take it in the central only because it's a fringe.
Fringe.
Slit also is okay.
can use it both ways.
Yes, it can be used both ways. It was originally made for that way, but somebody tried it the other way and said, hey, you know what, I can get a fridge with it. So yes, it is not your color. That's the only odd thing it may look. But the important thing is, it's totally taking care of your.
Want to cover the front and have bands or something? This will
Yes.
be- Is it also real hair? Human
Yes.
hair?
Yes.
This looks very
We don't have to.
shiny.
Shorter closure.
The shorter clothes.
You think the closure would be good?
Yeah, I'm just showing the types of closure we have.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This is also.
Only something like this. For some, she wants to only cover this. Or
So you want to try this on?
Yeah. See, this also looks good on you.
this looks nice.
Both the way you can keep. On the back also, on the front also. Hmm?
This is also good.
You would know how to do this, no? Because for the Coimbatore that we are discussing, something like this to put on would be a very good.
Different look you will get.
So now you see there are various.
In the-
These are lace based. They then come with various sizes. Some are also long, some are got shorter.
This is like more natural.
This looks better. Huh?
This is for somebody who's had a haircut and has less hair in the front. But
Short
See,
hair
the
and
whole
straight.
point is you have a client here. Okay, you've got all the three pieces here. Whatever she is comfortable with. Now, as a hairstylist, you may think, well, all three look. It takes care of a problem. She's comfortable in A. But now, someone like her, when she saw the first, she said, yeah, that's good enough. So the second, even this is better. Or the third one, you know what, this is much more better. So at the end of the day, she has to be happy and comfortable. See, this is another one, which is called elegant. This is, so there are, I mean, this is more or less the same, like, except the color. But yeah, sorry, this is a mono. This is a mono base, that's a lace. That's a lace
wants
base.
to only cover the front.
Then this is a
It will be
lace.
a good one because it has no weight at all.
It does not weight.
It's not pulling at all. It's very nice. You don't have
So
to
now
cut
the
it.
$1,000,000 question for you, Vasundhara, which do you want to take home? Which do you want to take home?
I think I like this one. Or the first one. was good.
The first one, there. See. So, the client is this. But this is the way the client is. A, B, C. Okay, you know what?
First
I
one
accommodate.
matches her hair also.
Matches
That matches her hair.
And it has the length also.
But this one is more suitable for the scalp. Don't you think this one is better? Less
And it can be
messy.
colored.
Yeah, it can always be colored.
This is, you can put further also.
So the
Make sure you
fringe
give the
will
right
cover
name
the
on the
base of joint.
corrugate side fringe, not the normal fringe. Wait, I was thinking, we've already got 40 fringes. Why have we got 3 fringes? But I forgot.
This one is better.
Their
You
side.
can put more further also this. See,
Keep
now
the
it's totally
small
different,
bone,
yeah.
Like having a good haircut.
Anybody wants to have a shot? Try it, you would know it. I mean, all you guys are experts in your own way, so just understand the technique of, and the more important thing is for you all to see that there are options available. How to fix it and what to do, and your computer mind would already be working on, yeah, this is how I would do it and this is how it can be done. Everybody has their own way. There's no hard and fast.